This app, where you go, baby?
So these little fishing poles, they came great for kids, great starter kits. They have everything you need to be able to get started. I did buy some artificial bait, but they come with a little kit here with some lures. So they have some artificial bait here. They came with the hooks, they came with swivels, all different colors. They came with a bobber and some little tiny weights as well. So everything that a kid needs to be able to get started. Real easy to use, great different color combinations for the kids also. So really fun to be able to have one kit that can do it all.
You take this guy and then you do it. How to cast it is I'm gonna stand up for this because it's kind of hard. So you press this button, you press it, and then you put your real back and you're still holding it. And then when you're about to throw it like this, you let go of it.
Oh, cool.
And then you can sit and wait or you reel it in.
Have you caught anything yet?
No, but you might and I will might.
All right, so here for the kids side of things, really nice. It has the nice easy trigger here. The line is all here inside of this closed spool. Makes it a lot easier so that the line does not gill.
No.
It's all retractable, so it's a telescopic pole, which is really nice and easy because it gets compact. And then I have this lure on here, this bass lure. I took the treble hooks off of it just to be able to allow the kids to practice with something that's a little bit heavier and allows them to be able to throw it out there. So throw it down there. Let it catch the wind. And then you just hope the really big fish will catch it.